Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 5, the roles in the family. So in this chapter we will see that what is the actual role of our family members. So that what's the role of our fathers, mothers, sister, brothers and mine also. So that we will see in this chapter. Now before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your vacations as well as online classes with your family members and with your dear ones. Please don't go outside because it's a very serious disease and we are in very pandemic situation, COVID-19. So it's better that we can stay happy at home and we can enjoy the online classes. And you can play indoor games like the Ludo, PUBG, Caroms and lots of games are there. So you can enjoy. After that you can read the book also once the online class will finish. And you can start writing also so that your writing will improve. I think some new students we don't know that who I am. I am just teaching you SST and English. So before the summer vacation I used to teach you English subject only. And I am teaching you SST also but through the Y links like YouTube links. But after the vacation I just started to teach you SST and I just started to shoot the videos for you guys only. Now before the vacation I am just teaching you the English and I have given homework also in the English on the Hartford International School website. So whatever the homework I am giving you, please complete down in your fair copy. After the vacation I am just giving you SST homework as well as English also. So for SST also you have to make a fair copy and you have to cover with the brown paper so that whenever the school will open you will not get any problem, and you have to complete your homework on time also. And once the school will open I will ask the all chapters to you also. So you have to revise the English chapter also because in English I think almost all chapters completed finished. That's why I started to teach you SST. So let's start the chapter, and I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And if you have purchased your book, please open and sit in front of me, and whatever I am going to read you also read with me. If you don't have the book then please purchase it as soon as possible. So whenever I will explain you the chapter you will not get any problem. After finishing the word, two new words are there, roll and earn, so that you have to write down in copy and then fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks are there, then 2 number true and false, then 3 number question answer there. That I will give you and I will upload you on Hartford International School website. So it's I think it's one page, it's also a half page of chapter, and I will explain you in that way so that you will easily understood. So let's start the chapter. We live together as a family. So in last chapter I taught you about the families, like we are lived in a family with our family members. So what? We lived in a house with our family members. Each one of us has a special role in the family. So each one has what? It's a special role. Role means that person is supported to do that things. That person is supported to do that things in the family. We all share the works at home because one person can't do all the things of home. So that's why we shared all the work with the members of the family. Now, but we do many things on our own too. In fact, we can do lots of things own also. But what are they? What they are doing? So color the things that you do on your own. So here are the 5 pictures. So here the 5 activities. You have to color it that what you are doing at your home on your own. So what's the role? So you have to color it. That first is what? The plating on the dinner, then polish the shoes, then kept the book, then washing the utensils, then what? Cleaning the bed. So these are the 5 pictures. It's your homework that after finishing the online class you just complete, and don't use the sketch pencil because it will spoil your books. It's better that you can use the crayons and pencil colors, and please color it that which activities you are doing your own. So you just color it. It's your homework. Once school will open, I will ask you the homework and you have to show me also. Next page is 23. So I don't think that, because it's a very short chapter, so let's go to the chapter. There are some things that we cannot do on our own. So in our house we have lots of things that we can't do our own, because you are a child, you can't do lots of things your own. So on that time our family members, they are helping to do our the things which we are not doing, which we are getting problems to do. So someone in the family helps us with these things. So where we are getting the problems in our family members to do the things, on that time our family members helps us with to do that things. Some of them are here it is, like father and mother cook food for the family. Like father and mother, happily they are cooking the food for the family. They are always cooking the food for the family. So here is one role. Did you know is there? Some father can cook as well as mothers. So at some houses, like father is also cooking the food, and in fact he can cook the delicious food also. Some of the best known cooks are men. The chef you can see on the television or on the any cartoon characters, that some of the best cook or best chef, mostly they are men. Mostly they are men, not women. So what? The father can also do the things to cook the food like mother. Next is what? Father earns money for the family. Now father is what? He is going outside to earn the monies to take care of our needs, that what we need, and to keep to just become happy. So he just give all the things what we need, like the toys. He can help us in study also. So what father is what? He always earns money for the family members, because money is also very important, because everything is, when we will go, then we have to buy it through the money. So money is very important. So for that we have to work hard and we have to earn money to keep our family members happy. Even mother goes to work to earn money. In fact, even nowadays also the mother she is also going to earn money. In fact, she is also suppose some others are dentist, doctor, teachers, and then some are scientists. So means like what, players. So what, some mother also, they can go out of the house and they learn also. In fact, mother is what, she can look after the house also, the child also, and her duties also. Suppose if some mothers are doctor, so then she just get up early in the morning, then she cook the food, then she just keep the house clean, then she just ready her child, she gives the breakfast, then afterwards she just ready for her duties, and then after she went to the duty. So woman is what, the mother is what, it's like a God gift. So God is not always there. That's why a God in our earth, God place is what, a mother. She is helping in everything, to study, to cook the food. Suppose we want to cook something, then she is helping also. If we are sick, then in fact she is staying with us in our room, and then in fact she just help us to just take care of our needs. So suppose sometimes we feel ill also. So mother is what? Mother is everything in our life. So please keep your parents always happy, and because both parents, they are doing hard work to become our dreams true, and it helps always to bring our all needs. So every time we should just respect our parents, and we just always help them to take care to do everything in our house also. So next we will see in the next videos. So please guys watch the next videos, and it maybe it will finish in next videos also. So please watch the next videos. Have a nice day. Don't go outside and keep inside. Thank you.